Okay, welcome to another shade sale segment where we're going to tell you a little bit about what to expect when you're getting your sale or when you're ordering it or quoting it. If you're doing the quote order online or you're about to order, you're going to get automatically all the tensioning hardware and cable in the perimeter for your sale. And it's going to be nice and tightly rolled like this. It folds up real tight, ships real easy. The price that you see or the quote form that you see is going to include all the tensioning hardware shipped to your door. The only extra you pay is taxes, but you have to think about what you need to anchor the hardware with. We don't include it because we need to know what you guys need. Is it going into brick? Is it going into concrete? Is it going through a post? Is it going into wood? Any questions about that, you can ask us, but it's also on the order form on the website where you can just enter in what you need if you know. If you're in doubt, ask us, we can help. So expect to get your shade sail with all the tensioning hardware. Your fancy dandy winter storage bag. We're gonna send back the paperwork that we've used to make your custom sail. You'll have your original drawing where you've mapped out your A, B, C, and D. Corresponding labels will be on the sail where you've marked out your points, so you know how to put it up. A is facing west in this case. We'll put A up first. That'll be with your paperwork. You've got your bag. Additionally, in this case, we're using through bolts because we've got nice 5.5 inch, 6 inch steel posts here. So these through bolts will go right through the posts and fit perfectly. If you've got posts, tell us the width of your post, the diameter. We'll cut this rod exactly to fit in your post with a nice acorn, nice and neat. Tell us the length and we'll cut that rod for you. Key message here is make sure you order your extra hardware that you need for anchoring beyond just the sail. The sail includes all the tensioning hardware, excluding the anchor hardware. If in doubt, give us a call. Good luck.